Hello and welcome to Business Law for the week of April 27th through May 1st. I want to thank all of you again for your engagement and getting things turned in online in timely fashion. I've enjoyed your projects and engaging with you and helping all of you learn. I've done again what I normally do is I've created a tab over here for you on Blackboard called the week of April 27th through May 1st. If we click that, it's going to bring up all the items for the week. And of course, at the top, I have our agenda. So we're going to go ahead and click there and let that download. Our agenda is going to let us know what do we got to get done this week. It's a busy week, but it normally is, right? We're wrapping things up, getting closer here to the end of the semester. So when we open this, the new things that we need to get done this week are to read chapters 16 and 17 and view the presentation with narration on Blackboard. I think you guys will really enjoy chapter 16 and 17. It's all about employment law, and it's very relevant because you're all going to be employees one day, or you may even be an employer or manager where you'll be employing others. You're going to want to complete a quick and easy homework assignment that I've posted. You'll get that done by next Tuesday, May 5th at 11:55 p.m. Also, don't forget to complete your Exam 3 review worksheet. Some of you already have. You've really been working ahead. You'll want to submit that by Tuesday, April the 28th. That's tomorrow by 11:55 p.m. Once you get that submitted to me, then I send out an email with the answers. So it's a great review. I also have Jeopardy posted, so you guys can play that as a review for Exam 3. And please do not forget to take your exam by Thursday, April 30th at 11:55 p.m. And as always, I'm available. I'm here for you to help you learn. You can reach me by my email or by the phone number I've given you, which you can phone or text me. Okay, so let's go back here to the week and see what else we need to do. So here's, again, the slides with the narration. Since it has narration, it's going to take a little while to download, so be patient. So we'll click here to get that started. Let that download. Once that's downloaded, you'll open it. It's a PowerPoint again. And as always, you want to remember to put it into slide view. This will allow the narration to start playing.
Hello and welcome to Business Law. This week we'll be studying chapters 16 and 17. Chapter 16 is all about employment, immigration, and labor law. And chapter 17 is all about employment discrimination.
That's a little preview for you. So nothing new there with the way that's set up. And then you also have down here your questions, your interview questions, which is your homework. And it's a Word document, so you'll just click the link here and it'll download. And once you open it, you will go ahead and mark, either you can write out unlawful and lawful, or you can just make a U or an L. So the first one, when did you graduate from high school? So it'd be great if you could make it a different color. So you can't ask that question because that goes towards figuring out your age and could be seen as age discrimination. So that's going to be a U. Okay. And you'll just go through and you will answer all of these and then submit them onto Blackboard for me by next Tuesday for some easy points. Okay, let's go back and see if there's anything else we need to do in that week. And it looks like we don't, but don't forget, again, you'll need to go back to the previous week here, the week of April 20th through 24th. And this is where you will find your Exam 3 review worksheet that you can turn in and the Exam 3 that you need to get taken. So by the 30th. So I hope you guys all enjoyed learning about employment law. I've started grading your projects. I'm very impressed with your presentation skills. A lot of great effort. Really enjoyed seeing your smiling faces again and watching those presentations. So thank you all again for your continued engagement and participation. And I hope you have a great week. Thank you.